We're going to Caron Beach, which apparently is supposed to be one of the better ones. We're on the western side of Phuket, so someone told us that's where the best stuff is. We're just south of Patong Beach, so super exciting. We're gonna go get some food, get my little daily coffee, and soak up some sun, right? I gotta get a little tan going. I'm white as mayonnaise. Wow. And I gotta do a better job at talking to locals. I love conversating with people, but for some reason, when I'm in new places, I'm just kind of a little introverted, so. But they're super nice here. I gotta do my part to talk more. You good? This thing is crazy. And we're just gonna see where the day takes us. We got 4 days here in Phuket. Then we go back to Thailand, and then go back to the States for a little bit. So not looking forward to that. So we're gonna make the most of these couple days here. Excited?
See. Is that way?
I think so. Let me see. Yeah. So we're gonna go. It's an 8-minute walk, and you guys can see the beach is right there. So we're pretty close. It's real nice. Place, it didn't really cost too much. I think it was reasonable. You know, it was a pretty good deal. So I would have really regretted going home and not I would have really regretted not have coming to Phuket since we're right here. So we did it. Feels just so peaceful.
Yes, I feel the same.
Like just calm, peaceful. I'm loving it. So what do you clap? Next time we come here, we gotta work on our Thai.
Yes.
The only thing we know is hello and thank you. That's it. So there's a lot of foreigners here. I guess Phuket is where all the foreigners go. We got a Colombiana and Americano. Americano?
Okay.
I'm an American. Yo soy Americano. Wow, and just like that, we're out to the main street. Sweet. What? Oh, the
stars.
Oh, yeah. Ah, sweet. Okay, look. So I think we're gonna go boom and then boom. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna cross, okay? Go, go, go. Reggae bar. Interesting. Live music. Oh, they have pool tables there? Yeah, so I think it's this way, and then we're gonna cross. So we hit the main drag now. Sweaty clap. Sweaty clap. Pizza. I have noticed that there's the selection of food here on Grab, which is like the food delivery app. It's way better. They have like American breakfast food, pancakes. I'm in Thailand, I want to eat Thai food, but sometimes, you know, you just want to get some McDonald's, some Burger King. But what is this thing? Look at this. Wow. Ten minutes in. Oh, there's a pool there too. Wow. Muy chévere, muy chévere. Sweet. Well, my stomach is fighting for its life right now, so let me go get food. Gotta start the day with the coffee. There's no other way. Coffee and prayer. Got chicken panini, and she got a, what'd you get? A bacon, egg, and cheese on a croissant. So, this place is really cool. So we're gonna refuel. We're gonna get caffeined up. We're gonna take on the day. Not looking at it. Let's dig in. That was really cool. In that sandwich shop we were in, met a guy named David. He was from Hudson Valley, New York, which is very close to where I'm from in Scranton, Pennsylvania, and basically gave us some advice, some information. Really nice guy. So shout out David. He told us that out here with the scooters, it's kind of scammy because they don't tell you that you need an international license. So if you get pulled over, you get a hefty fine for riding one of these without that license. And if you try to get the license, it's like a 2-month wait. You got to go to the police station, so it's kind of sticky. And then taxis are, you know, super expensive. And he said in Phuket, most of the stuff you go to is you have to drive. So we are now approaching the beach. We got our coffee. We got some food in our tummies. And here we are. I've only seen this place on videos, so. Come on.
Entonces, imagínense de mano.
Viva Phuket. See how blue the water really is. Nice and shady here. Wow. At a picnic. Wow. God is good. Whew. We made it. So yeah, this is Caron Beach. I believe Kata Beach is the next one to the left or the right. And then just that way, hang on, we got Miss Vlogger here. 2 peas in a pod. We got Patong Beach, which is way that way, which is the big, giant, touristy beach.
What's the name of this?
Caron Beach.
Caron Beach.
Karen Beach? Caron Beach?
Caron Beach.
Not sure. Alright, moment of truth.
Oh my gosh, it's so...
Oh! Let's see how much they're charging for Imagine you don't have to pay. Oh my gosh, 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 oh my gosh. Oh, 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 oh my gosh. And I don't see, okay. It's beautiful. I don't know if we gotta pay for these chairs. I'm going to throw my feet in the water. Oh, my feet just got 5th degree burns. Woo! Place is nothing short of beautiful. Woo! The water's perfect. Does not get better than this. So I think we're gonna find a place to sit, do some meditation, relax for a little bit, get some vitamin D. Oh, look how clear this water is. Look at, oh my gosh. I'm so happy we came here. Right. Moment of truth. We've made it. We're going in the water. It's super hot. We're gonna go cool down. But I'm really nervous because I'm gonna go underwater with this camera. It's a GoPro, so obviously I'm sure it's waterproof. ChatGPT said it's waterproof, but I'm still nervous. Like, I don't know. There's only one way to find out. What do you think?
Let's go to try.
Let's do it. It's gotta be, right? Could use a beer right now. Okay, should I try? I'm nervous. I'm really, really nervous. Look at this place, guys. It's like a different world. Alright. If my camera breaks, you guys will probably never see this video, so fuck it.
Wow!
Let's go! Let's go! Ready? I'm gonna try to open my eyes underwater. Shout out GoPro. This is the best investment I got. You want to say hi underwater?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Ready?
Okay, good. 1, 2, 3.
That's amazing. Shark, shark, shark. Let's go. Oh my gosh. I'm getting like bit by stuff. Like, keep feeling like little stings. Like here, my leg. There's gotta be like little jellyfish in here. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna chat GPT that. I don't know. Okay, hopefully no one stole our bag. Whew, that water's nice though. Wow. Nice. Look what we got here. I haven't had a coconut in, oh my gosh. Oh, it's beautiful. And we got a passion fruit for you.
Thank you, love.
Yeah. So yeah, if you guys don't want to drink coconut water and go in the ocean with super clear turquoise water with little tiny jellyfish that'll sting you, great everything, then don't come to this beach. We left it for like a few minutes. No wonder why Buddy was hovering around the whole time. He kept going under our chairs back and forth. Hey buddy, that's mine. Hey. I'm just kidding. Hey, I paid for that. I paid for that, buddy.
No là màu đen à? Oh, one please. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Bang. That concludes that. Gonna go get some food now. Maybe go paragliding and just see what else they have over here.